So, should I blame the province when it comes to trying to find a family doctor? The health policy experts I spoke to say it's difficult to hold one level of government accountable given how these systems are set up. Under the Constitution, healthcare is managed and delivered by the provinces and territories. But the federal government constitutionally also has a duty to promote the well-being of citizens. All provinces still have to follow the Canada Health Act in order to receive federal government funding. That's called the Canada Health Transfer. And although federal funding started out at 50%, today it's allocated per capita for each province. On average, 20% of a province's healthcare budget comes from the federal government, while the other 80% is made up by the province through tax and other revenue.
Because of this murky kind of intergovernmental relationship, neither government is taking full responsibility for the quality of healthcare that we Canadians receive. We call it a blame game.
Mo says the blame often involves the provinces saying the federal government isn't providing enough money, while the federal government says the money isn't spent well. And this makes it even harder for voters to decide which government should be held accountable. The federal government does provide direct healthcare in some cases, like First Nations people living on reserves, for Inuit, and for veterans. And at the municipal level, local governments can introduce policy and infrastructure changes to entice new doctors there, which impacts the type of doctors and healthcare you might get in your community. The takeaway here is that many levels of government are involved in healthcare. And if healthcare is a big issue for you in this election, you might wonder whether your vote matters. But the federal MP you vote for can be there to hear the issues and concerns you have in your community.
They might direct to the appropriate government department at the federal level or at the provincial level, or they may well advocate on behalf of constituents for a particular issue that clearly falls within a federal domain.
What issues are informing your vote in this election? Send us an email to ask@cbc.ca.